Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Robinhood for investing after settlement planning, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser or the Robinhood app on your device. If you're using a browser, go to the Robinhood website. For mobile users, locate and tap the Robinhood app icon on your home screen. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button and click or tap it. You will be prompted to enter your email or phone number associated with your Robinhood account. After entering your email or phone number, press Next to proceed. Now, you must enter your password in the designated field. Make sure your password is correct to avoid any login errors. Once you've entered your password, click or tap the login button. If you have two-factor authentication set up, you will receive a verification code. Check your email or SMS for the 6-digit code. Enter the verification code in the appropriate field. After entering the code, click or tap Submit. You should now be logged into your Robinhood account. Take a moment to review your account dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and tools available for investing. Once you're comfortable, you can start planning your investments. If you experience issues logging in, ensure you have a stable internet connection. If problems persist, consider resetting your password through the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to create a new password. After successfully logging in, you can begin your investment journey informed and prepared. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.